What if I told you Bitcoin could hit $100,000 sooner than you think? But is this real or just hype? Welcome to Cryptocurrency Startup. If you're serious about crypto investing, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency, and what makes it special is its limited supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. That scarcity is one of the main reasons Bitcoin has value. Now let's talk about the biggest reason why Bitcoin could reach 100K. First, institutional adoption. Large companies, hedge funds, and even governments are starting to invest in Bitcoin. With the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, it has become much easier for traditional investors to enter the market. This increases demand, and when demand goes up, price follows. Second, Bitcoin halving. Every 4 years, Bitcoin's mining reward is cut in half. This reduces the supply of new coins entering the market. And historically, every halving has been followed by a major bull run. Third, global adoption. In countries like the United States, the UK, and Canada, more people are using Bitcoin not just as an investment, but as a store of value. But let's be honest, crypto is not risk-free. Market crashes can happen anytime. Government regulations can impact the price, and investor emotions often cause panic selling. So what's the smart strategy? Successful investors don't chase hype. They invest gradually using dollar-cost averaging. They stay patient and think long-term. Bitcoin reaching 100K is possible, but the real opportunity is being early and staying consistent. Subscribe for more crypto insights and stay ahead of the market.